Namaste viewers. This is Syed from Saisha Motors. This car is Honda Amaz. It is came from UP, Lucknow. So this vehicle has airbag problem. See airbag. This is driver side airbag. It is already airbag is damaged. Okay. So see the next seat belt. This is seat belt. Seat belt also has damage. So once airbag is open, so that time all seat belt will be also will be damaged. See this is passenger side airbag. So we are going to repair all airbag, seat belt, reprogramming of module and all. See, we will make it as it is like new. So if you have any car there is that is damage of airbag, seat belt and all, so we repair and all, we repair all with warranty. So any car, BMW, Audi, any car, so you can contact us. Thanks for watching.